Hello everyone, this is Daya from Kaya Academy. Today I will teach you how to enable dark mode for YouTube. In this video, we will try to convey some information about how to enable dark mode feature on YouTube. You can perform the dark mode feature on YouTube by following steps below. YouTube's dark mode provides an easier on the eyes viewing experience. It's particularly nice when watching videos in the dark. YouTube's dark theme is available on the YouTube website and in YouTube's mobile apps for iPhone, iPad, and Android. Enable dark mode on the web. On YouTube's desktop's website, click your profile icon right here at the top right corner of the page, and you will see the dark theme. And click the dark theme option in the menu. But if you're not signed in, what you're gonna do is it looks like three vertical dots right here. Click the menu button and it looks like three vertical dots instead. You'll find the same dark theme option there. And since we're signed in, we're gonna do this. We're signed in and we're gonna click on our profile icon. We're gonna click here and we will turn it on, as you can see. When activate the dark theme slider to enable the dark theme for YouTube. This setting applies to your current web browser only, so you'll have to enable the dark theme on each computer you use. It doesn't sync with your Google account. So, for example, I'm using this computer right now, so I have turned on my dark theme. But if I'm going to switch on another computer, even if I am signed in, I still have to go and do the same process. For a complete dark mode on your desktop, enable dark mode in your Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge browser. You can also enable a dark theme in Gmail too. You can also activate Windows 10's built-in dark mode. For iPhone and iPad, the YouTube app for iPhone and iPad has its own dark mode option too. To enable it, launch the app and tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings in the menu that appears. Activate the dark theme just like we did here on the settings screen. To use YouTube's normal light theme again, return here just like you would do when you were turning it on, and you will deactivate the dark theme slider. For Androids, Google is slowly rolling out a dark mode for YouTube's Android app, although it isn't available on all devices just yet. If you have the dark mode option, you'll find it by tapping your profile icon at the top right corner of the YouTube app, then tapping Settings. Tap General on the settings screen. If you see a dark mode option on the general screen, enable it. If you don't, you'll need to wait for Google to enable this feature on your device with an update to YouTube. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you. Leave your comments under this video. I will try to answer every question that you will leave for me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon.